President Trump wrote the strangest word in his latest tweet, and the world just can't seem to get enough of it. I mean, bro, do you even kafif? I was like, coffee, coverage? What is this word? Mr. President! What are you even saying? Ah yes, kafif is the latest thing from the president to baffle us to no end. Although it doesn't look like we're getting the definition to kafif anytime soon, especially since President Trump asked if anyone can figure out the true meaning of the non-word. So, of course, both the internet and celebrities and everyone in between is sure getting a kick out of it. Actually, some celebrities are enjoying the typo. James Corden tweeted out, quote, "I'm gonna try and go back to sleep now. Everyone stay, #kafif." And Billy Eichner wrote, quote, "When they go low, we kafif." But others like Jimmy Kimmel and Chrissy Teigen are not happy with the mistake. Jimmy wrote, quote, "What makes me saddest is that I know I'll never write anything funnier than kafif." And Chrissy is just praying that she's a sim being played by aliens. While a bunch of celebrities were mocking the word, Zachary Levi and Rob Lowe actually tried to come up with a meaning for the term. Zachary defined it as to covet another's thief. I don't know what that means. While Rob said it's slang for, F it, I give up. Touché, sir. And then, friends, the internet memes began, complete with a gif of Bill Hader's character Stefan from SNL. I love him. One user wrote, quote, "New York's hottest nightclub is kafif. It has everything. Russian entanglements, spray tans, creepy handshakes, surprise trade wars." Another substituted the word call with kafif and wrote, "You used to kafif me on my cell phone," with a gif of Trump attempting the hotline bling dance, while someone else tried to make sense of this whole thing with an imaginary conversation between Sean Spicer and a reporter at a press conference. The hypothetical conversation goes, quote, "Reporter, so what exactly did the president mean by kafif?" Sean, "I think the tweet speaks for itself." I don't know if you ask me, but it kind of sounds spot on, right? Honestly, it's all fun and games until everyone starts to realize that the man responsible for kafif also has nuclear codes. Wild! Anyways, you guys, what do you think President Trump was trying to say when he typed out the word kafif on Twitter? Get to talking in the comments section below. When you're done with that, click right over here to watch as Kathy Griffin apologizes for her photo shoot. And guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me right here on Clevver News. I'm Jocelyn Davis. I'll catch you later.